Check, 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 1, 2. It's Monday, October 24th, 2022. We are opening up here at the top of this range. ES opening up here at top of this range. Are we going to go hit up here? Are we going to test down here? Are we going to come up here? Big earnings week too. We'll see. Here's the open. I canceled my Tesla short, and if anything, I think it might be a reversion and go head back up. Let's see what they do. That is Tesla's way. If it is a reversion, then these 203s could be a really massive long against like 202s if it is a reversion. Maybe like 203.50s. I'm actually going to try that. There goes Tesla. Let's see if 203.50s we can get some against low a day, essentially, a little bit lower. And I think the target on the way back is up at this 205, 206, maybe even higher. Let's see if Tesla can come back in. Baba did hit lows. Market's moving higher. Here's 205s, 204s. Can Tesla get back down? Can it get back down? Back in the 204s. Can she drop to the 203s? Leaning against this spot right here, basically. Or is she going to rip straight up? Either way, it doesn't really matter. Here's 205s getting tested again. Switching bias on this Tesla because if she's weak, she would have fallen apart already. Here's 204s, mid 204s. Can we get down to the 203s? Basically a point lower. I think we can. I think I might be able to get down there. I kind of want to get another one down at like 202.80s. We'll stick with one for now. It's a reversion play. Low 204s, getting down to those 203s eventually, maybe. 204.30s, 20s, teens. Gonna check the other side of 204. No, they didn't. They did not. There's 204 getting tested. There's Baba on lows. 203s, I was down at 62 cents. I did not get it. Right there, I'm on the bid. 70 cents. Got filled. I am long Tesla at 203.60s. We immediately come through down to the 203s, giving it a pretty wide room. Market turning around and going negative again. So we'll see if this was just catching a fallen knife. Tesla dips below 203 briefly, but I'm looking for 206s, so we'll see if this was the right idea. What did that get down to? Let's take a look. 202.85, and Tesla above 204 all of a sudden. all of a sudden above 204. And as we get to 205.70, I would take one off if we can get back up there and then hold the other for 206.50s and higher. We'll see if that can materialize. Now, BABA went to new lows. Need to set a new low a day on BABA. Tesla back in the 202s and failing. Tesla might run for new lows. Time clock starting to tick on this trade. Need it to get back above here in the next like 3 minutes basically, or else I need to start cutting it. Or I might get stopped out before then, but need to see it above 204 in the next, yeah, like 3 to 4 minutes. I wanted to see a rejection of this area. I didn't want to sit around in this area. So I need to see a rejection and us starting to move higher and get back above 204. So BABA bases out there. Apple in the middle of its range. 9:45 a.m. numbers. Manufacturing PMI. Tesla on new lows. Tesla on new lows briefly. And let's set 202.20 as the low a day in Tesla. And I hope that we don't hit that and we start making our way back upwards. I'd like to see us gain 204. We did tick lows and we're starting to move back up. Can we get back up above? Apple, Amazon kind of starting to trade lower. Nvidia starting to trade lower. Nvidia, Tesla's flirting with going up above. It's here at the hole. Amazon on lows. Let's take a look at Amazon. Amazon hitting new lows. Nvidia not hitting new lows. Tesla hanging on. Yeah, again, my time stop, I need to see this above 204 fairly soon here. And while it's not really heading down and making new fresh lows, it's not getting back above 204, and that's a problem. Everything else on lows as well. BABA on new lows. Tesla at 204s, above 204. Can we get up to those 70s, or 205s I should say? Want to see it make forward progress here above 204. Can she squeeze? Here's above 205. Gonna take part off there. Can we get above 206? Can we get above 207? Let's see if we can get above 206. She's trying. Probably should have taken that 206.50. I was hoping we'd get a burst back above 207. We might still get it. Actually, let me look back here. Microsoft on highs, Apple on highs. So I anticipated their turnaround there correctly. Can we get back up above 206? If we come back down to 203, I will buy more. Let's see if we can get up above 206 and get to the 207s. Here's 206s starting to knock. We just can't quite get up there. Trying. Just keep running into a wall above 206. Might take it early in front of 206. There's not, I mean, this is just chop here. See if they can do another push up towards 206. Dropped into the 204s. So here's Microsoft on highs while I let that work. 245.80 high a day on Microsoft. That looks pretty good. And actually is starting to break above this area here. It doesn't have enough for me to chase that long. I really think that Tesla can get up to those 207s though. We'll see. I have a bid down in the 203s to pick up more. If I can get it down there. And I'll set a stop. But in an ideal world, we'd go up to test that up there again. Here's 205s. Can we get up? Coming into the 204.40s, 30s. We're going to go swing under 204, it looks like. Maybe I can get an additional lot on here. I'm bidding at 75 cents for that lot. There's the 203s, 90s. Can we get down to 75 cents and give me a fill down there? 80s. I did get it. I picked up another lot up at 75 cents. Looking for a big drive away from these prices here. Nvidia is now on lows. What a turnaround. And mid fours. I'm going to try to get this extra lot that I picked off at 75 cents up in the mid fours if we can get up there. If we can get up there, don't really like the way this market's trading, to be honest. Can we get back above 205 quickly? No. No, we're struggling. All right, I think I might just pull the whole thing. It's just not following through. Can it get above 204.50s? Just struggling. Market's not making lows though, so maybe I should just sit tight and let Tesla do its thing. Let's see if she can get back above 205s. No, she's just struggling. Just struggling. Can we get above 50 cents? No, we can't. Struggling. Need to get above that 50 cent 404.50s. We just can't. Here we go. And can we get above 50 cents? No, they're just selling it in the 20s. Gonna take another piece off there. I really don't like the way this is trading right now. I'll hold that 50 shares for above 50 cents, but I really don't want to see it down back below 0350s now. Gonna just punch out of it there. Gonna punch out of it. I don't like that action. So, gonna punch out of the Tesla trade. It was kind of a scratch. It didn't really follow through the way I had hoped up to the 206s, 207s. You got to manage the trade though. I thought the ad was good. It was a nice ad, solid place. I think I gave it quite a few enough chances to be able to go, and then eventually cut my size, and here she is failing. So I think I handled the trade well there. Let me set a marker.